In every system, work flows everywhere, but decisions don't. They converge. And wherever decisions converge, power accumulates. Most people try to avoid decision pressure because it feels risky. Operators move toward it deliberately. This video explains why decision bottlenecks create leverage and why avoiding them keeps careers flat. Execution can be delegated, automated, or standardized. Decisions cannot, at least not the important ones. Systems may appear complex, but control usually sits in a small number of decision points that determine outcomes. Decisions carry consequence. If a decision fails, responsibility becomes visible. Most roles are designed to minimize that exposure, favoring execution, where mistakes diffuse across process instead of people. Execution feels safe because instructions already exist. You follow a path someone else designed. If something goes wrong, the system absorbs blame. This safety is comforting, but it also limits leverage. Operators don't chase activity. They move toward constraints, places where a small number of decisions determine a large share of outcomes. This is uncomfortable at first, because ambiguity replaces instruction. Decision-heavy roles often look slower from the outside. There's less visible output, more pauses, more thinking. But those pauses prevent downstream waste and rework. Which is where leverage forms. As systems grow, complexity increases. Eventually, execution becomes too fragmented to coordinate directly. Decision authority consolidates, whether intentionally or not. Smart people often solve problems faster than others. That pulls them deeper into execution, rather than upward into decision design. Their intelligence becomes a throughput enhancer, not a leverage builder. Operators earn decision authority by reducing ambiguity. They create frameworks, criteria, and models that others rely on. Over time, decisions route toward whoever reduces uncertainty most reliably. Fast decisions feel impressive. Accurate decisions compound. Operators trade short-term speed for long-term signal quality, which increases trust and reliance. Once you control decisions, execution reorganizes itself around you. Work becomes cleaner. Fewer emergencies occur. Your value increases without increasing effort. Execution keeps systems running. Decisions determine where they go. If your role never touches decision bottlenecks, leverage will always sit somewhere else.